Next team. We are done with the entrepreneur team. How many of you have dealt with trying to do video in an event like this? I know doing these types of events all the time, are always trying to find a cost-effective way to do video events. And we all have these smartphone things now, but how can we make that work, and how could I make them all work together? So the Mindset Systems team has come up with a great way to do that, so they'll tell you about that in a moment. First of all, I'd like to give you a little background. Michael Conway moved here from Silicon Valley just in the last year. He's been working in digital video going back to the 1990s, and he's a really smart product guy and a good business development guy. He's got a really strong technical partner in Mark Abate. Mark's an MIT grad, a Boston guy. I know he's a Boston guy because when I met him and I said, "How about the Red Sox this year?" It's like, "Oh my God, I can't believe how crappy they are." It's like, so a diehard Red Sox fan. Mark's been an architect and a developer building video solutions going back again to the 1990s. So please give a hand to the Mindset Systems team.
The Internet of Things, the third wave. It's absolutely fantastic. We have smart devices, networked appliances, cars with email, wearables. There's something missing to get to the next level. Next level is the Internet of Everything. What's missing? It's people. It's an essential part. 250 million people attend 2 million business events annually in the US. It's a lot of people. They spend $3 billion on professional video services. $3 billion. People bring mobility, collaboration, social connections. They're great at collaboration and curation. Our idea is to combine this with technology in an interesting new way. The product that we came up with is CrowdChannel. CrowdChannel automatically turns event videos into complete stories. Here's the team that did it. I guess we were already introduced, but I'll give a little background. We have a seasoned team. We've done 10 generations of hardware and software, business to enterprise level products together. So with that, I'll turn it over to Mark, who's the CTO of Mindset Systems.
Let me tell you how CrowdChannel works. You and your team
shoot video in an event using the CrowdChannel mobile app. The CrowdChannel mobile app automatically moves those videos to the cloud, and a copy of the video stays on the mobile device. CrowdChannel assembles that video, and you share the production. You shoot video from one point of view, while your team members shoot from other points of view. CrowdChannel carefully synchronizes all that video in time. The CrowdChannel mobile app also records continuous streams of sensor data, such as vibration, location, and orientation. Our secret sauce is the way we combine time, sensor, social, and content clues to create a production that includes the best content from a variety of points of view.
The core of CrowdChannel is the engine that runs on our servers. That core fetches contributor videos from and moves the finished production back to a partner platform. CrowdChannel uses that platform for scheduling, storage, group, and delivery services. The Chapel Hill Art Walk is a great example of an event that's spread out over many locations for an entire evening that can benefit from crowdsourced content collected by CrowdChannel. Glass Lab Great Pumpkin sales event is also another example where Crowd Channel allows the organizers to capture unique points of view and personal interactions.
So who is this for? Let me explain. The event attendees collaborate using our Crowd Channel mobile app, a free app. The event organizers put together production and share it out using a cloud-based subscription service. It's crowdsourcing. The attendees get a better production. Better in the sense it's more diverse. Everyone's contributing together. They get it faster. The event organizers have something that's easier to use and it's cheaper to use. For a major event like this, of course it makes sense to have professional crews come in, ready for television productions. That's really not what we're targeting. We're talking about all the other events, all the other companies that can't afford the $2,000, $5,000, $10,000. They don't have coverage of their events. They can do it by crowdsourcing with our product, Crowd Channel, for a low-cost subscription. Our serviceable market, we estimate, is $45 million. That's based on a $250 annual subscription cost, just over $20 a month. We monetize that, as I mentioned, as software as a service revenue. We deliver the service to the event organizer, the Crowd Channel app, to the contributor, and the productions to the viewer. Our costs are commissions and data costs. But I want to be really clear. We're not a streaming service. We're not a storage service. We just pull the clips in, use our algorithms, secret sauce, put it together, and deliver it out to another platform. So our exposure to data is very minimal. So where are we? Prior to the Innovators program, we were spending most of our time on development and intellectual property. Once the program started, we were quickly moved in to talk about customers. That was a really good part of it, to stop worrying about coding and get onto the customer. So I learned that. We're starting pilots in the first half of 2015, launching to business and enterprise, and then growing the company from there. Our Mindset Systems, automatic crowdsourced video production. Thank you very much. Questions?
Wait for the mic to boot. I didn't get a sense from the presentation, what's the end user experience look like for the finished product? So you've sourced a number of videos from people that were at an event. Is the end like a collage of content, sort of time sorted, or could you just say a few words about what the finished product looks like to somebody that's using the service?
Sure. Since the source footage is coming from multiple devices, we first have to synchronize it perfectly, and then we can assemble it in any way according to sensor rules. So as the number of contributors goes up, it gets really interesting. For any point in time, there's lots of choices, and we use a variety of algorithms to decide for the best choice. We can add transitions as necessary. We can consider social relations between the contributors. We can look at likes for clips and even playback behavior. Okay? Anyone else? I can repeat it.
Testing. Hey, there we go. All right, Rick, just really quickly, who do you think the first customer is going to be?
We're going to start pilots in this area. CAM has expressed interest. Citrix has expressed interest. IBM and some other people we're talking to. The pilot stage is important, so I'm not sure which is going to be first. It's going to be a free month and then followed by a subscription.
Fantastic. Thank you. That's great.
Thank you so much.
Great job.